guys, my name's Megan. Today we're doing some bar basics coming at you from my patio in Atlanta, Georgia. We're gonna make a French 75 today. So to start out, we're going to grab our shaker and we're going to add a half an ounce of simple syrup and a half an ounce of lemon juice. To that, we're going to add an ounce of gin. Today I'm using Empress 1908 gin, which is a lovely purple gin. You can use any gin. This one just makes the French 75 drink super pretty. So I'm adding an ounce of that. To that, I'm gonna fill my shaker with ice. We're gonna shake it good. Right. Super simple. Strain it into a flute glass. And then you're just gonna top it off with some champagne. Oh! And then the best part, garnish it with your lemon twist. Super simple to make. Peel it, twist it with your hands, and it'll keep its shape. And there you have purple French 75.